Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to build dashboard. Dashboard. Let's assume you have your data set and you want to build a clean dashboard. How would you do that? So the first thing I want you to do is to go to the sidebar here and open it up. So when you open it up, what we're going to use today is we're going to use plugin. So if you haven't heard about plugins, plugins is like connecting your ChatGPT to different features. For example, GitHub, Google Drive, your Slack, or you're a developer, you want to connect your ChatGPT to your Superbase or Shopify and data analytics. You can connect it to either of these. You have to know what they do here. It specializes in analyzing your product data. So what I normally use is the data analytics. So all you have to do for you to get one of these is for you to click on the plus sign. So you see the plus sign here. Let's assume I want to um, get one of these and I want to get, let's say, Indeed. I can just click add. And the moment you click on add, it's going to say, okay, give you a permission, you can allow, you can cancel. So in this example, I'm just going to cancel, but that is how to add that. So if you want to add LinkedIn, if you want to add any other platform, all you have to do is just for you to click on add. So today we're going to use data analytics because of course we want to create a dashboard. So we're going to use the data analytics plugin. So I'm just going to go to a new chart and I'm going to use the work. So I'm going to switch from chat to work. When you use chat, yes, it's going to create a dashboard for you, but it's going to create it within Excel. Right. So I wanted to create an interactive dashboard for me, not using Excel. I want a proper dashboard that is going to look like Power BI or a very good Excel platform. So I'm going to use the work and I'm going to go here and say use data analytics. So you can see it down there, but if you're looking for your plugin, you can click on the plus sign and you're going to see your plugin here. So I'm going to click on data analytics and I'm also going to attach my data. So I'm going to click on the add file, the plus sign to go and add my file. So I have an Excel file that I want to add to this and it's called LoanWise and I'm going to attach it. So now I have my data there. I can say turn the attached data set into an interactive dashboard. So that's my prompt and I'm going to send it. So straight away he's saying I'm using the data analytics dashboard workflow. So you can see it's using that workflow. So if you ask it, it's not going to use any workflow for you. It's just going to use its own capacity to build you a dashboard. But I want it to look more professional, so hence why I've used the data analytics plugin. So now it's giving me information about the data set. It's saying it has 250 unique customer records, 13 fields, no missing values, and no duplicate rows. So it's helping me to check the cleanliness of the data set, which is good. And now it has proceeded to preparing an interactive dashboard. So, and it's also saying that it's going to be shareable. So it's going to have a shareable site, right? It's going to have a shareable site where I can share it with my coworkers and say, okay, this is our dashboard. You can look at it and tell me what you can see, or if you have questions, then I can pose the questions to the platform as well. So imagine if we have to use Excel to create a dashboard, then yeah, we must understand how to get our formulas, uh, use maybe pivot table. Uh, Also, in Power BI, we know we have to do a lot for us to be able to create our dashboard, but this is going to do it in a matter of minutes, which is a good thing. So you're saying the dashboard is built with responsive KPI cards, for cross-filtering controls, approval, and risk views, regional and monthly portfolio charts, and a drill down table. So we're going to have drop down, which is good. And it's saying, okay, I'm trying to publish it now. I'm done. All right. So now we have our dashboard ready for us. So we can preview it and see if it's something that we like. So here it has given us an idea of what it looks like. So it has the region, employment loan status, risk outcome. So we have Ontario, so it must be interactive, so it must change. So you'll notice that this has changed. Alberta, it has changed as well. Manitoba, it's been changes. So yeah, which looks good. So you also notice that I'm just going to put it here in Ontario. So if I say self-employed in Ontario, it should change. Employed in Ontario it should change. So you can see this uh, is really good. This is good. And one good thing about this is when you open it up, then you can continue with your GPT. Make sure you log in. So when you log into your GPT, then you'll be able to share this site. So it has built this for you and you can share this site with people. So when you send it to their phones, they'll be able to view the dashboard. When you send it to them via email or whatever platform, then yeah, they'll be able to build the dashboard. You can see how beautiful this looks and you can easily do your analysis. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye for now.